This is First Coast News on your side.
A Jacksonville family has been awarded more than $3 million in a wrongful death settlement. In 2017, D'Angelo Tilley was gunned down in his own apartment on Jacksonville's west side. The family's attorney says the apartment complex had an extensive history of crime with a lack of security. On your side's Brianna Ray Turner's live tonight outside the Duval County Courthouse where this lawsuit was filed. And Brianna, you spoke with the family's attorney. What did he tell you?
Well, Heather, the family's attorney, Pedro Echarte, described the Camelot Gardens apartment as a horrific place to live at. He said despite all the crime that happened at that complex, he believes the former property owners didn't prioritize security.
D'Angelo Tilley, father of two, moved into the Camelot Gardens apartments with his girlfriend in December of 2017.
Unbeknownst to them, there had been a horrific history of crime, especially in the last year since the defendants owned this property. They purchased the property in 2016. There have been numerous shootings, numerous armed robberies. Some of the victims of those shootings have been shot and paralyzed.
In just 2 weeks of Tilley living at the complex, two people came into his unit and shot him to death while he was on the couch.
His daughter, unfortunately and tragically, was in the room next door to him. While she didn't see the actual shooting, she came out after and saw the aftermath, which was obviously unimaginable for any child to go through.
Echarte says at the time of the incident, the apartment complex was owned by Eagle Gardens of Jacksonville and managed by Loman Property Management Company, which were related entities that were controlled by the same individual.
Unfortunately, this is his MO. He operates very dangerous properties and does not put the security measures needed in place to protect the residents and their guests.
Attorney Barry Ansbacher says when you're dealing with an apartment complex, Florida statute states the landlord has a duty to maintain the safety of the property.
So a duty exists, and then the issue comes down to whether it was reasonably foreseeable that crimes would take place at the apartment complex and whether the landlord took appropriate steps to avoid those criminal acts.
Now, we did reach out to the former property owners who did not want to comment, and Echarte says the murder is still unsolved, so if anyone knows anything at all, please call police. I'm live here at the Duval County Courthouse. Brianna Ray Turner, First Coast News on your side.